Hello friends, welcome to Proud Goan's Kitchen. So once again today we are here and I'm going to teach you how to make authentic style Goan chicken Cafreal. So yeah, let's begin what ingredients we require. So today I'm not showing you the ingredients, I'm just going to pop in the ingredients into the mixture and the detailed measurements will be updated in the description box. So yeah, I've taken here 750 grams of chicken. I've marinated them with chili powder, 1 spoon, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder, some salt, and yeah, that's it. So I've marinated it for around 2 hours, and now we are going to take some coriander leaves. So I've not taken any stalks, only the leaves. You can also add stalks for added flavor. Next I'm going to pop in some 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. I've taken a pod of ginger. I have taken off the skin and I've made pieces. So we are going to take here green chilies. I have taken I'm going to take 10 red chilies. Green chilies, sorry. So I've taken 10 green chilies. Now moving on to spices, I've taken this much amount of cumin seeds, cloves, some peppercorns, cinnamon, a little bit of star anise, and yeah, that's it. I forgot mentioning one thing, that you have to add around 2 small size bay leaves. If your size is bigger, just add 1. So just fold it in and add it. Now we are not going to add any water to this, and we are going to grind it. So friends, as you can see, my paste is ready. I've made it into a smooth paste. So what we are going to do now is we are going to apply this paste to the chicken that we have. So see that all the chicken pieces are evenly coated. So let's this marinate for around 20 minutes minimum. You can also do this, or you can also keep this overnight. So I'm going to keep it for 20 minutes and let's watch after that. Also, do not wash or do not waste this the remains that we have, because we are going to use it when we actually cook the chicken. So yeah.